So here's the finished product. This is dining room, and you see the plastic along the wall. It's how we protect the baseboards from damage and splash. And you look at this piece of plastic right here. You see all that white stuff there? That's where the stone's been cut, and it becomes a slurry and it makes kind of a mess. So this floor has been restored with 3 restoration stages and polished and sealed. And now today we are buffing it, final buff, and it came out beautifully. There's one technician buffing. Another technician in there. Another view of that dining room floor is just a brilliant finish. Better than the showroom, better than it was at the beginning when it was bought. So now it's stage 2 of the polishing and buffing stage.